Hi, this is Adriana, and this is about the DISC. It's a non-judgmental tool to learn about people's behavioral differences. It helps to understand how you would react to new challenges or how you're likely to behave in a team situation. The DISC gives us specific insights into someone's interpersonal communication skills and how two personalities may interact with each other, or how different approaches can help build a better relationship or better team or a better organization. The DISC also provides a framework to leaders for interpersonal relationship with team members, therefore improving the overall productivity in the organization. So it helps with leadership, with management training, with sales, with conflict management, with team building, with customer service, with communication, with job coaching. So if you would like to take the test, for instance, you can see there are different areas for every behavior. Just go to the link below and it will take you to the page. And this video is part of the $100 video challenge within SalesVision Business Games. So there's more information in the description and you can create an account if you like. Thank you for watching. Bye.